Right. I'm going to be working with the example of Maniac to brainstorm my reasons, but you should be using Watson's. What I'm going to do is brainstorm the reasons why I think that the book is better than the movie. You might be brainstorming reasons why the movie is better than the book. That's what I'm going to write in my center circle map. So you would put the movie or the book is better. Remember that anything I write in blue, you should copy, and red, you should change to suit yourself. Then I'll create my circle map. For me and Maniac, I'm going to say that the book is better. Then I create my outer circle for my circle map. In my circle map, I'm going to come up with all of the reasons why I think that the book is better. So, for instance, I think that the book is better because it had Grayson. I also thought that it was better because there was a scene where he taught him to read. There were also the scenes where Maniac went running with Mars Bar. And I thought that those were important. I thought that the Cobble's knot in the movie was unrealistic. I didn't like that Maniac and Amanda got married. You can see how I'm trying to come up with lots of different ideas. You should have in your circle map 10 reasons you believe the film or book is better. I'm going to keep working on my circle map. You should too. By the time you're done, you should have 10 reasons why your ideas are better. All right. You can see that now I've come up with 10 different ideas about why I think that the book of Maniac is better than the movie. Remember, yours should be about Watson's, not Maniac. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to group some of my ideas together to become my 3 paragraphs. So first, I'm going to do paragraph 1 all in a circle. So I'm going to come up with things that are all very similar that I can use for my first paragraph. I talked a lot about the characters. So like Grayson could be for my first paragraph. I see also other characters. I could, if I wanted to, talk about the brothers and how he teaches the brothers. I could talk about how the orphan people were creepy. And how he went running with Mars Bar. I think those would be the things, and I probably won't talk about the orphan people being creepy or the brothers. I think what I will talk about is running with Mars Bar and Grayson, because those were the 2 important scenes for the characters. Now I'm going to think about what could be my second reason. How else can I connect things? And that's going to be paragraph 2, and I'll put those in a triangle shape. So my second paragraph, I think, I talked a lot about things being realistic, like Cobble's knot wasn't very realistic. And I think that the book had better descriptions. Those 2 things could be my second paragraph. And then my third paragraph, I'm going to put in a square. And I think that that's going to be the ending of the story. I didn't like that they got married and that the line disappeared. Notice I don't have to use everything I came up with in my ideas. I wanted to come up with enough that I would have enough for 3 body paragraphs. Go ahead and link like items together for your paragraphs. When you're ready to move on, go to the next section.